Did you know that the tin whistle, the most iconic instrument of Irish and Celtic folk music, only began to be mass-produced in the 1840s? Given its over 2,000-year history, you'd think that it would have been around a lot longer than that. But it's not the oldest instruments that are the most important. The most accessible instruments are also the most influential. That's why they called it the penny whistle. It was cheap enough that almost anyone could afford one. And the simple 6-hole design made it perfect for beginners. Though watching masters like Mary Burgeon and Paddy Maloney, you'd never guess that it was meant to be a starter instrument. These artists turned the penny whistle into something extraordinary. Their use of cuts and rolls makes it feel like they're speaking a Celtic language through music. And you know what amazes me? These tunes still captivate audiences at today's festivals. That's because they carry centuries of stories, from Danny Boy to lively jigs. So in a way, the tin whistle helped democratize Celtic music. It bridged the gap between ancient and modern. And that's why you'll still hear it in any good Irish pub.